Boom. One, two. Hello, traders. How are you guys? Ooh-ah. Hoorah! 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 How are you? How are you guys? Good morning, Tim. How are you, mate? From Nashville, Tennessee. Tim Santa. Good morning, Talal. So today I am going to have yesterday's winner after the open. Yeah, I'm still running with this, with this Nasdaq long. I really like it. Here we have those sessions. New York session here. Did the market just open? I don't know. Did we have a change in New York time now? It's 9:16. No, the market is about to open. Good evening, lads. Greeting from Ukraine. Ukraine in the house. That's right. All right, man. I hope everything is fine where you live in Ukraine. What do you think about Euro USD? I do not give one single fuck about the Euro US dollar right now, mate. My mind and my focus is on my Nasdaq trade, which is chopping around my entry. I am also looking for some possible silvers. But we can have a quick look at the Euro USD, right? So the Euro US dollar. I'm looking for shorts on the Euro US dollar. I'm not looking for shorts on the Euro USD. I'm looking for longs on the US dollar, right? So this is the possibility. So I'm looking for longs on the USD after this rally, right? I just want to see these lows be taken out, getting swept. So basically, I could actually yes, I'm going to place a pending order on the Euro US dollar. Have a look at this. Actually, Michal, thank you for this. Here we have a big ass imbalance. So very quickly, what I'm going to do here on the Euro US dollar side, we have a big ass imbalance right here. Boom, shakalaka. Here's that imbalance. All right. So here's that imbalance, right? We had a break of the structure right here. Here's that break of the structure. Boom. And let's have a quick look at where in the flingings. I don't know. Oh, there you go. So here is that break of the structure. Break of the structure. We have liquidity sitting up here at the New York session highs. Oh boy. We have liquidity sitting here at the New York session highs. So that's a good thing. So if we have that liquidity, we have that imbalance, we have the break of the structure to the downside. So we are looking for fucking lot shorts, right? We also have a break of the structure out of the London session, right? The London session range, pre-market New York broke with those London session ranges. So the order block that I will be looking for to trade here would be this one right here. Boom shaka. Laka. Now, here's what my entry would look like. So that's the bearish order block right there. And the structure highs, of course, are these highs right here, which means that my risk to reward ratio is not that great, right? but still a tradable setup in my opinion. Structure high. There you go. So basically what I would do, in fact, I would place my order here, stop losses here, and targeting the lows. I mean, this is a very tradable setup, a 3.3R, if you are looking into it. We're going to come back. I'm going to tag it. Thank you. All right, any questions, guys? Any questions before we start looking at the open in 10 minutes? This Nasdaq long still, I mean, it's still chopping around my entry, but this is what I was looking at on the Nasdaq side, mates. I was looking at pretty clearly a shift in the character in this market, right? This is a very clear shift in the character in this market. As you know, we got that last sweep of the lows right here, boom. Then we got the character change in this market, and then we got two breaks of the structure to the upside. So basically, the upside in this market is really confirmed. Liquidity has been taken out here, which is what I was looking, and lastly here, and that bullish order block has been mitigated. So yeah, my entry was a little early, but you know, I wanted to get filled. I mean, I didn't get filled. I entered at market actually, but right here at the Asian session lows, my first stop losses were below these lows, but then I quickly realized that I was wrong. And move my stop losses to below the structure lows, right? So that's my entry on the Nasdaq. Now, if this is rocking, don't come knocking. I'm live here. So if this is rocking on the Euro US dollar side, maybe we can get some nice entries on pullbacks on the US dollar long. On the pound US dollar, same thing. Pre-market New York breaking with the London session lows, creating liquidity right here. There's untapped liquidity. The setup is much clearer on the Euro USD though. The US dollar Canadian dollar too choppy in my opinion. US dollar Japanese yen. The USD Japanese yen could be in fact a very good deep buy on the US dollar, given the fact that if you look at this, this is exactly what a fakie looks like on a, I don't know if you guys can actually hear me. This is what a fakie looks like. Hold on, let me move my camera. I think here. What a fakie looks like, and this is what a clear break of the structure looks like. So we're looking for longs on the US dollar. We need a pullback to take out all of this liquidity right here. Boom, boom. Right before we even consider taking a long position here. Now the market is about to open in 7 minutes. My Nasdaq longs are around break even at the moment. Or around break even at the moment. 2 minutes 15 seconds until the market opens. So we are going to look at this possible pullbacks on the US dollar. Hi Hossein, how are you? Oof. All right, so I'm gonna go pee. No, the market opens in 5 minutes and a half. So I'm gonna go pee. I'm gonna go grab another cup of coffee. Do not go anywhere. I mean, GJ. Yes, I was looking at possible GJs, but you know what? I don't trade the Japanese yen. Oh, that's a nice one. I don't trade the Japanese yen during the New York session. Japanese yen for me is a London session asset. So I'm gonna be right back. Nasdaq triggered. I mean, I entered at market, mate. I'm gonna read right back. Don't go anywhere. All right. All right. So PP is done. I'm gonna go get a cup of coffee and I'll be right back. I'm gonna leave the euro US dollar here because all right. Because we're looking at this possibility, all right? Miranda, fíjese que ahí se está mojando, ¿verdad? La entrada aquí, mire, por los surtidores. Puede poner ahí algo. Ajá. All right, I'm back. Back from reality. All right, so here we go, here we fucking go. The market opens in 3 minutes. All right, so we are long on the Nasdaq. There's two possibilities. I could reduce my risk by half, but I'm not gonna do it. Or maybe I will. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it. Full risk, 1%. No, I'm going to do it. I'm going to reduce my risk by half, just because we haven't managed to break with the highs. So I'm closing here at break even, half of my position. Right, so half of my position is gone. I'm fine with that. Excellent. So, yeah, different spread. All right, let's go. Cool. Now I have I'm only risking 0.045%. That is a cool thing. That is very, very cool. All right. What the hell? I don't have any batteries for my mouse. My mouse is acting up. Market just opened. The market just opened, and there you go. That was a good way to manage the risk on the Nasdaq. Let's see if bulls can manage to pump this up. In a minute, I'm gonna need a sentimental man or woman to pump me up. All right, we're good with the Nasdaq. Let's have a look at gold. Gold. There you go. The Nasdaq is pumping up. Good. You know, it's all about risk management, mates. It's all about risk management. And because on pre-market action, price failed to break with the ranges highs, then my trade had a lower probability of success. So that's why I decided to move to close half of my position there. Now that we have broken with the highs, we have a higher probability of success, but I'm fine with only writing half of my position here. Let's have a look at Zilliva. See, you know, very sketchy price action in metals. The Dow Jones moving lower, the S&P moving lower, the Nasdaq, in fact, moving higher. This is a good thing. Nasdaq is leading, so we might get an entry on the S&P 500. Maybe not. Maybe on the Russell. Whoa, the Russell just crashed. Yeah, but the Russell is mid caps, guys. The Russell is mid caps. So yeah. Look at this. The Nasdaq on the 1 minute about to mitigate that order block right here. Created this is a beautiful possible long on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. We're already long on the Nasdaq, so we're not going to double down. We're not going to double down on on U.S. equities longs. So Michelle, I don't usually trade index, but this U.S. 100 looks very good. Good job. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I mean, this is what we do. You know. I'm gonna grab this for purposes, you know, marketing purposes. Yeah. So we might close this at break even too. We might close this at break even. The rest of my position at break even. All right. So I'm looking here at that mitigation of this bullish order block on the Dow Jones. Actually, I'm gonna let it run. I forgot, my friends, that I had only 0.4% risk on this position. So I'm gonna let it run. This is nice. This is nice. This is why we. This is why we. This is why we manage our risk, right? This is why we fucking manage our risk. So there you go. Boom. Nasdaq, choo, that's right. All right, so see the mitigation of the order block, of the bullish order block on the Dow Jones. This gives me joy. This gives me fucking joy. This is for. All right, so we're gonna hold this long on the Nasdaq. We're going to hold this long on the Nasdaq, and that's what we're going to do. Now let's have a look at some other markets. This is looking phenomenal, guys. Phenomenal. Let's have a look at some other markets. Gold, gold and silver. Let's come back to the Euro USD. There you go. The Euro USD about to break with the highs, about to, you know, the Euro USD about to break with the highs. Wow, that Nasdaq is rocking. So don't come fucking knocking. There you go. We're good with the Nasdaq. Hey guys, I want to ask you for something. If you enjoy my shows, why don't you leave me a review here on Trustpilot? I would appreciate that. I would appreciate that. So the Nasdaq, I'm going to move my stop losses to break even on the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is running at, I don't know. Moving my stop losses to break even on the Nasdaq. No, moving my stop losses just above the structured lows. So now my my real stop losses is at 11,813, 11,813, 11,813. 11,813. To 11,813, and my risk now is just 0.3%, 0.35%. Damn it. Yeah, the Nasdaq jumped. I am still looking for a true break of the highs on the Nasdaq. You know, retesting those previous broken lows. I'm gonna get rid of this. You know, I am fine. I move my stop losses here below the lows, right? Because if price breaks with these lows, surely it will break with the structure highs, the structure lows. I'm sorry, which would mean that my trade would no longer be valid, right? These are the true structure lows at the moment. Why? Because price already took out all of these weak lows, right? So the true structure lows are this at the moment. So I am fine with my trade. Let's go. All right, so I'm gonna get rid of my camera because I'm going to invite, you know, so hold on. There you go. All right. All right. Nasdaq is retesting some, you know, some very, very, very critical levels. There you go. I'm pretty stoked about this trade, actually. Let's see the S&P 500, what the other equity markets are doing. S&P 500 again. The S&P 500 just took out these lows. This is good. All right, so this is good. This is good. Right, so have a look at what has happened here on the Dow. The Dow Jones Industrial Average just hit that massive entry. Yeah, this is phenomenal. We're good. We are fucking golden, right? Same entry. This was just an inducement zone. This is why you have to look at the entire chart. This is just an inducement area, right? Now the true order block that created the here we had that liquidity, the bullish order block, structure lows. So we are golden, guys. We're golden. We're golden. Our trade has a super high probability of success right now. So let's wait and see what happens. All right, so that was Olympus trade on the US dollar, Singapore dollar. That's awesome, guys. Let's rock it. But I don't think that trade was triggered just yet. Uh, 34.84. 34.84. No, that trade hasn't been triggered just yet, so I don't know why you are on that trade. All right, so I don't think Greg Aquino is going to be on today's show just because he doesn't answer me on Instagram. So that's a shame because I had some good. US dollar, Japanese yen. I don't know. Now, mate. Pound yen. Let's have a look at this. Now, man. We're good. I'm good with my Nasdaq. Don't overtrade. That's not a good thing to do. Just don't do it. Don't overtrade. Super choppy open in U.S. equities. And I can assure you that this is just because there's a ton of sellers, right? There's a ton of sellers, right? Buyers have to be really aggressive. Have to get really aggro when it comes to shifting the balance of orders. Now look at this. This Brent oil, same thing, same fucking thing. Yeah, but I'm good with my Nasdaq longs. I'm going to take everything at TP1 should it pump up. All right, so let's have a look at the Nasdaq again. I'm going to move my stop losses to break even on the Nasdaq just to protect my equity, very possibly. This is too choppy. Buyers have lost a ton of, not to break even, but what I'm going to do is this, right? I'm going to move my stop losses just below these lows. I'm going to, I don't know. I'm just going to let it ride, actually. I'm going to let it ride. I'm going to let it ride. I don't wanna get taken out, right, on a, if I move it to my, the reason that I can't move it to break even is because of my early entry, right here, right? There is no structured low I can be protected on. But if I had entered here, I would already have taken out half of my position and I would already be at break even. So because I got in too early, I can't manage my position like I would if I had taken the real entry, which was here for 7 hours or so. So I'm not gonna take anything out. I'm going to wait for the break of the structure or this liquidity sweep. Let's have a look. I'm gonna give it a last try here. There you go. I mean, buyers are looking very strong, in my opinion. Buyers are looking strong. Come on, let's sweep the highs. Come on, let's sweep the highs so I can take some profits off the table. View, toolbox. Boom. We just swapped the highs. We just swapped the highs, so I am, oh boy, I'm going to move my stop losses to break even now. Yeah. I wasn't able to take profits off the table, but I'm moving to break even now. I'm moving to break even now. That spike high failure to have a real break. I don't want to be on that trade anymore if we can't swipe the highs. And what I dig about this, trade is how we manage risk, right? We started with a full 1% risk, so I'm going to take all here, taking 75% off here. All right, 75% off here. Boom, taking 75% off here for 283 pips. There you go. We made money. All right, we made money and our stops are at break even. I'm happy. I'm happy about this. We managed to take some profits off the table on our Nasdaq long. That's a good thing, guys. That is a good fucking thing. That's a good thing. That's awesome, mate. 1%. You made more money than me, but that's cool. That's a cool thing. Yeah. God damn it. Well, fuck it. I'm gonna send it here. And we're still rocking with a little bit of our Nasdaq longs, mate. Boom. There you fucking go. So now I'm going to let price take me out at TP1 for an extra 0.30% or so. So I might just be making more money. So here we have that break of the structure. Boom. All right. There you fucking go. There you go. I'm gonna take everything out here. Yeah, I'm gonna take everything out here on the Nasdaq. I have some things to do, and I don't want to. You know what? I'm not gonna take everything here. I'm just gonna let it ride. I'm gonna let it ride or die. That's my new motto. Either ride or die. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna play the fucking song. That's right, Tim. I'm gonna play the song. Awesome. Where is it? So I'm playing the song because we made money. There you go.
Here comes the money.
Here comes the
Here
money.
we go.
The money.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Myself, I'm taking everything out here. You can ride it or die it. I have some things to do back in the city, so I won't be in front of my computer. I'm I'm taking it all out here. Yeah, 1 minute. This is the 1 minute time frame, mate, as always. Yeah, I ended up making a little less than 0.5% on my Nasdaq Longs today, so that's a good thing, guys. I'm going to raffle, oh boy. There you go. Breakout structure, that's good thing. Vegas style. Aha, this is not gambling, mate. This is not gambling. So I'm going to raffle tomorrow's spot on my live show. Yeah, I'm closing my MT4. I'm not trading anymore today. I mean, I already made money. I'm not going to be in front of my chart. So there you go. Yeah, so I'm gonna raffle tomorrow's spot. That's awesome. That's awesome on the US dollar, Singapore dollar. So I'm gonna ask you all that if you like my shows, please leave me a fucking review here. I mean, this is some free shit, right? This is free money for all of you. Give me at least a fucking good review on Trustpilot. And Godspeed Freeman, you are an old school. Do you want to be my invite or my friend tomorrow for the show? I'm not gonna raffle it. If Godspeed Freeman wants to be here, he has the spot for free. If not, nobody has the spot. The reason is because he is a very, very old school, friend of the show, let's call it. So Godspeed Freeman. Yeah, Nasdaq Longs almost at TP, but you know what? I wasn't in front of my computer anymore. I'm good. I made money, mate. Did you make money? All right, Godspeed Freeman, you got it, mate. You fucking got it. So go to my Instagram. I'm gonna share the link here. Go here, send me a DM. Send me a DM. It will be for the. Hold on. It will be. Thank you, Michael. So it will fucking be at the London Open, right? It will be at the London Open. So send me a fucking DM, and sure we'll do just that. Right. So again, you're welcome for the free money. Leave me a fucking review on Trustpilot, please. That's all I ask in return for making you fucking money every day here on my show. Right. See you tomorrow at the London Open. Bye.